The Bundle of Sticks. 막대기 다발. Once, there was an old man who lived in a small village. He had many sons, and they were always fighting. They argued over food, chores, and even small things. They never helped one another and only thought of themselves. The father grew worried. He knew that if they didn't learn to work together, they would all struggle in the future. So one day, he called all his sons to his side. In his hands, he held a bundle of strong sticks tied tightly with rope.
My sons, try to break this bundle.
One by one, the sons stepped forward. They pulled, twisted, and bent the sticks. But no matter how hard they tried, the bundle did not break. Then the old man untied the rope. He gave each son a single stick. Crack! Snap! Each stick broke easily in their hands.
Do you see? Alone, each of you is weak. But together, you are strong. If you work as one, no one can break you.
The sons looked at the broken sticks and nodded. For the first time, they understood their father's message. From that day on, they stopped fighting. They shared their work and helped one another. Their home became peaceful and full of laughter. When we stay united, we are stronger than when we stand alone. Just like the sticks, there is strength in togetherness. The end.
Once there was an old kind man in a quiet village land. He had sons who fought all day, argued in each little way. They would never help or share, only thought of their own care. The father sat with worried eyes. He knew they must grow kind and wise. So one day he called them near with something strong he held so dear. A bundle of sticks in his hand, tied together with the strand. Try to break this bundle tight, hold it, bend it with your might. Can you snap it all alone, or is it stronger than your own? One by one the sons all came. They pulled and pushed but none could claim to break the bundle firm and wide. They tried so hard but failed with pride. Then the rope was taken out and single sticks were passed about. Each one snapped with just a touch, breaking easy, not so much. Do you see what this can show? Alone you're weak, together you grow. Work as one and you'll be strong. Together's where we all belong. The sons all nodded, now they knew what their father said was true. They stopped the fights, began to share, and filled their home with love and care. Their house was filled with peace and cheer, with helping hands and laughter near. They learned that standing side by side gives strength and joy and family pride. Do you see what this can show? Alone you're weak, together you grow.